Jeg flytter til England næste måned.
I'm moving to England next month. I'm moving to England next month.
Har jeg brug for et visum for at bo i England?
Do I need a visa to live in England? Do I need a visa to live in England?
Hvordan finder jeg en lejlighed i London?
How do I find an apartment in London? How do I find an apartment in London?
Er Manchester dyrt at bo i?
Is Manchester expensive to live in? Is Manchester expensive to live in?
Hvor registrerer jeg min nye adresse?
Where do I register my new address? Where do I register my new address?
Hvordan åbner jeg en bankkonto her?
How do I open a bank account here? How do I open a bank account here?
Hvordan får jeg et britisk telefonnummer?
How do I get a British phone number? How do I get a British phone number?
Er offentlig transport god i England?
Is public transport good in England? Is public transport good in England?
Hvad er leveomkostningerne i Bristol?
What is the cost of living in Bristol? What is the cost of living in Bristol?
Hvor skal jeg tilmelde mig sundhedsydelser?
Where should I register for healthcare?
Where should I register for healthcare?
Hvordan ansøger jeg om et britisk ID-kort?
How do I apply for a British ID card? How do I apply for a British ID card?
Skal jeg betale skat i England?
Do I need to pay taxes in England? Do I need to pay taxes in England?
Hvordan er vejret i Cornwall?
What is the weather like in Cornwall? What is the weather like in Cornwall?
Hvor kan jeg lære engelsk hurtigt?
Where can I learn English quickly? Where can I learn English quickly?
Kan du anbefale et bevægende firma?
Can you recommend a moving company? Can you recommend a moving company?
Er det let at leje en bil i England?
Is it easy to rent a car in England? Is it easy to rent a car in England?
Hvor betaler jeg mine værktøjsregninger?
Where do I pay my utility bills? Where do I pay my utility bills?
Hvad er de bedste supermarkeder her?
What are the best supermarkets here? What are the best supermarkets here?
Hvordan tilmelder jeg mig internettet?
How do I sign up for internet? How do I sign up for internet?
Skal jeg registrere mig på rådhuset?
Do I need to register at the town hall? Do I need to register at the town hall?
Hvor længe kan jeg blive uden visum?
How long can I stay without a visa? How long can I stay without a visa?
Kan jeg købe et hus som udlænding?
Can I buy a house as a foreigner? Can I buy a house as a foreigner?
Er sundhedsydelser gratis i England?
Is healthcare free in England? Is healthcare free in England?
Hvordan finder jeg en engelsktalende læge?
How do I find an English-speaking doctor? How do I find an English-speaking doctor?
Hvilke vaccinationer har jeg brug for til England?
What vaccinations do I need for England? What vaccinations do I need for England?
Kan jeg bruge mit kreditkort overalt?
Can I use my credit card everywhere? Can I use my credit card everywhere?
Hvor meget koster leje i London?
How much is rent in London? How much is rent in London?
Hvor kan jeg købe billige møbler?
Where can I buy cheap furniture? Where can I buy cheap furniture?
Er engelsk bredt talt i England?
Is English widely spoken in England? Is English widely spoken in England?
Hvordan importerer jeg min bil til England?
How do I import my car to England? How do I import my car to England?
Hvad er de bedste områder at bo i Birmingham?
What are the best areas to live in Birmingham? What are the best areas to live in Birmingham?
Hvor ansøger jeg om en arbejdstilladelse?
Where do I apply for a work permit? Where do I apply for a work permit?
Kan jeg få dobbelt statsborgerskab i England?
Can I get dual citizenship in England? Can I get dual citizenship in England?
Hvordan opretter jeg en britisk bankkonto?
How do I set up a British bank account? How do I set up a British bank account?
Hvilke dokumenter beder udlejere normalt om?
What documents do landlords usually ask for? What documents do landlords usually ask for?
Hvor lang tid tager det at få ophold?
How long does it take to get residency? How long does it take to get residency?
Hvordan finder jeg et job i England?
How do I find a job in England? How do I find a job in England?
Hvor kan jeg tage engelskundervisning?
Where can I take English lessons? Where can I take English lessons?
Hvad skal jeg vide om den britiske kultur?
What should I know about British culture? What should I know about British culture?
Hvordan betaler jeg min leje i England?
How do I pay my rent in England? How do I pay my rent in England?
Kan jeg bruge min udenlandske sundhedsforsikring her?
Can I use my foreign health insurance here? Can I use my foreign health insurance here?
Hvor får jeg et britisk SIM-kort?
Where do I get a British SIM card? Where do I get a British SIM card?
Skal jeg registrere mig hos politiet?
Do I need to register with the police? Do I need to register with the police?
Hvad er de gennemsnitlige omkostninger i England?
What are the average utility costs in England? What are the average utility costs in England?
Hvordan sender jeg mine ejendele til England?
How do I ship my belongings to England? How do I ship my belongings to England?
Kan jeg studere i England med mit visum?
Can I study in England with my visa? Can I study in England with my visa?
Hvor er den lokale udlændingekontor?
Where is the local foreigner's office? Where is the local foreigner's office?
Hvordan fornyer jeg min opholdstilladelse?
How do I renew my residency permit? How do I renew my residency permit?
Kan jeg køre med min udenlandske licens?
Can I drive with my foreign license? Can I drive with my foreign license?
Hvordan får jeg mit eksamensbevis anerkendt i England?
How do I get my diploma recognized in England? How do I get my diploma recognized in England?
Kan jeg arbejde eksternt, mens jeg bor i England?
Can I work remotely while living in England? Can I work remotely while living in England?
Skal jeg tale engelsk for at bo her?
Do I need to speak English to live here? Do I need to speak English to live here?
Hvor finder jeg internationale skoler?
Where do I find international schools? Where do I find international schools?
Hvad er reglerne for lejekontrakten?
What are the rental contract rules? What are the rental contract rules?
Kan jeg købe sundhedsforsikring i England?
Can I buy health insurance in England? Can I buy health insurance in England?
Hvordan finder jeg en britisk advokat?
How do I find a British lawyer? How do I find a British lawyer?
Hvor er skattekontoret i denne by?
Where is the tax office in this city? Where is the tax office in this city?
Skal jeg indgive skat hvert år?
Do I need to file taxes every year? Do I need to file taxes every year?
Hvordan ansøger jeg om britisk statsborgerskab?
How do I apply for British citizenship? How do I apply for British citizenship?
Kan jeg leje uden en britisk bankkonto?
Can I rent without a British bank account? Can I rent without a British bank account?
Hvordan får jeg et personnummer?
How do I get a social security number? How do I get a social security number?
Hvordan sender jeg pakker fra England?
How do I send packages from England? How do I send packages from England?
Kan jeg medbringe mine husholdningsapparater?
Can I bring my household appliances? Can I bring my household appliances?
Hvordan opretter jeg elektricitet derhjemme?
How do I set up electricity at home? How do I set up electricity at home?
Kan jeg opbevare mit telefonnummer i England?
Can I keep my phone number in England? Can I keep my phone number in England?
Hvor finder jeg kortvarige huslejer?
Where do I find short-term rentals? Where do I find short-term rentals?
Hvordan ansøger jeg om dækning af sundhedsydelser?
How do I apply for healthcare coverage? How do I apply for healthcare coverage?
Hvordan ansøger jeg om familiesammenføring?
How do I apply for family reunification? How do I apply for family reunification?
Skal jeg oversætte mine dokumenter?
Do I need to translate my documents? Do I need to translate my documents?
Hvordan ændrer jeg min adresse officielt?
How do I change my address officially? How do I change my address officially?
Hvad er processen til at købe ejendom?
What is the process for buying property? What is the process for buying property?
Kan jeg blive i England efter mit visum er slut?
Can I stay in England after my visa ends?
Can I stay in England after my visa ends?